welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT for resume and cover letter optimization. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use ChatGPT for resume and cover letter for your optimization, you need to simply go to ChatGPT. Once you're in your ChatGPT, you need to simply use it for your optimization by providing it your resume, the job description, and specific prompts to tailor content. Enhance your bullet points with action verbs and metrics, refine your tone, check for keywords that is ATS optimization, and generate customized draft. Then always review and personalize the AI output for authenticity. This way, you can simply use ChatGPT for your resume and cover letter optimization. You can get the output and iterate it and refine it accordingly. You can then send it to your jobs and get your impression on that workplace very efficient. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.